rhubarb to make crumble. But always pick it, never cut it. Pull it, the stalk. I have 6 stalks here. All I'm going to do is just clean the leaves off, and then we'll take them home and clean them up. The 150 grams of plain flour, and to top it off we use 50 grams of porridge oats as well, to give it a little crunch and a bit of texture. So there we've got 50 grams of porridge oats. Now you can either use brown sugar or white sugar. I prefer brown sugar because it gives more of a caramelised flavour. And now we're going to put in 100 grams of soft brown sugar. Just give them a light mix together, the sugar and the flour, before we put the butter in. We have rhubarb, and we had just a couple of apples left over. Nobody's going to eat them, so we've just put them in the crumble. Now we just put a tablespoon of sugar all over, just to take the bitterness out of the rhubarb.
Add 50 grams of water.
Now we put it on the heat, and we'll stew it for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so it all softens up. Then I add 100 grams of softened diced butter. And now what to do, you've got to rub it together and form a breadcrumb, and then it's ready. So just keep rubbing the butter with your fingers, breaking it up, and with the coarseness of the sugar and the oats, now all the butter is mixed with the flour, the oats and the sugar. It turns into a breadcrumb, and this is what we're looking for, a nice coarse breadcrumb. Oh, beautiful. Just right now. That's it. All done. The rhubarb's just disintegrated and the apple is just soft enough now. And that will go into our tray. So we'll just put that in, level it out. We'll just let that cool down for a couple of minutes, and then we'll put the crumb on top. And we'll add up a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is optional, but it does give it a nice little kick. This cinnamon's from Turkey. And now we're going to spread the crumble on top. We'll spread it evenly. And then after this, we'll put it into an oven for about half an hour until it starts going nice and golden on top. Just make sure you get it around the edges. You don't have to squeeze it down, just level it out. And once it's ready, on about 180 for about half an hour. Crumble is ready now, just taken out the oven, nice and golden on top. Just wait it to cool down and then we'll try with a bit of fresh double cream.